Sellers, are you paying attention to when the buyer actually needs to get their homeowners insurance when they put a contract in on your house? I don't think many of us are paying attention to this, and the rules are changing. Homeowners insurance for buyers needs to be done within the first 7 days after they get their mortgage approval. Hi, I'm Kristen Borstron. I sell real estate in the Northern Virginia area, and I want to make sure that all my sellers, before they put their home on the market, have all the information that they need. I know a lot of sellers out there are interested in selling as is, kind of waiving that inspection contingency, and all that's fine. But if there is a loan product on that property, you will have to have some kind of an appraisal and most likely an inspection. And right now, what we heard today at our meeting we met with appraisers, we met with insurance agents, and we met with lenders. Insurance agencies are no longer writing policies on a home that has a 20-year-old roof, really old mechanics or wiring. They are going to say, we can't insure this property. If they can't insure the property, the loan officer says, well, then we can't continue with the finance contingency and we're going to deny this. And that means they're not buying your house. So what does that mean for you? Well, there's two things. One, now that we know the dates and we know what we're kind of up against, we need to make sure that if your roof is over like 10, 11, 12 years old, we're getting that roof inspected by a licensed roofing contractor. Roof is considered a maintenance item. It is not something that you can just let go and hope that the new buyer was going to take it on. That's no longer the case with the new insurance that's going on out there. Things like HVAC, wiring, plumbing, all of those things could come up on your finance contingency now if they're over 10 to 15 years plus. And what that means is that if the insurance company, the buyer gets this insurance company, and the insurance company says, we're not going to insure this house, they can't buy the house, period. You have to have homeowners insurance when you have a loan. So sellers, if you're getting ready to list your home, there's probably 5 things that we are going to suggest that you do in order to make sure that you are compliant with not only what's happening in the insurance market, but what's also happening in the appraisal market and what's happening in the lending market. So all of those things are going to set you up for success. If you want more information about this, because this is something we're all going to be talking about now, and as they unroll it more out in 2025, because it just started trickling in recently where we're just starting to hear this from the insurance agency, but boy, we're going to hear about it more. Stay tuned, because I'm sure there's going to be many more updates. If you have any questions about making sure that your home is ready to go on the market and what you need to do, because again, roofing, HVAC, wiring, all of that is homeowner maintenance, and an insurance company is not going to insure it if it needs new stuff. We need to talk, because we've got to get that stuff finished before we can put it on the market. So if you have any questions, just reach out. Looking forward to connecting with you in 2025.